How to change the channel handle of your YouTube channel. So hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the handle of your YouTube channel. So if you want to change the channel handle, then you need to follow these simple steps. So currently, as you can see, I am in my web browser and I have opened my YouTube website. Now the first thing we need to do is head on to the YouTube studio. To do this, click onto the profile picture at the top right of your YouTube. Then from the options below, choose the YouTube Studio option. This will lead you to the YouTube Studio website. Now from here, simply click onto this customization tab at the left. Then under the customization tab, you need to scroll down and you will come across the handle. Choose your unique handle by adding letters and numbers. You can change your handle back within 14 days. Handles can be changed twice every 14 days. So that means you can change the handle name twice every 14 days. So currently you can see that this is my current handle name. So if I want to change it, simply delete this and add a new handle name. So for example, let's say, and then once you have done this, you need to make sure that the channel handle name is unique and does not matches with any other channel on the planet. And once that will be done, it will show you a green tick mark icon. That means that this particular channel handle name is available. And once you have done this, you need to click onto this publish button at the top right to publish these changes. And once you will do this, the channel handle will be uploaded. So let's go click onto the go to the channel option, and here you can see in the channel handle it is showing the updated version. So that's how easy it is to change the channel handle of your YouTube channel. So if this video was of any help to you, do make sure to smash that like button. Tell us in the comments if you have any new ideas or questions, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for such exciting content and updates. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.